Manufacturing, the backbone of free enterprise and a golden opportunity for kingdom ambassadors like you. It's easier than ever to go from low-tech to high-tech manufacturing. If you're looking to build a multi-million-dollar enterprise that truly serves people and creates lasting impact, manufacturing is the perfect industry. Why? Because it is more customer-centric than many of today's dominant industries. In tech monopolies, companies can manipulate prices and make it nearly impossible to cancel services. But in manufacturing, success depends on customer satisfaction, quality, and integrity. The best part? Anyone can start. With basic tools, a small workspace, and the right strategy, you can grow from a startup to a thriving business. 5 reasons manufacturing thrives. High competition ensures customer choice. Reinvestment drives steady growth. Customer satisfaction equals business success. Smaller players prevent monopolies and keep prices fair. Deuteronomy 15:10. Give generously to them and do so without a grudging heart. Then because of this, the Lord your God will bless you in all your work and in everything you put your hand to. Our life manual reminds us, give generously, and the Lord will bless all the work of your hands. Manufacturing allows you to serve with excellence while creating wealth for God's kingdom. The political and economic climate is ripe for manufacturing startups. Government subsidies, online resources, and industry demand create the perfect environment for kingdom entrepreneurs. Download our free PDF for manufacturing business ideas and grab your copy of Business Architecture for Kingdom Ambassadors to build a solid foundation for success. The time is now. Take action and build your kingdom enterprise today. This is Business Architecture for Kingdom Ambassadors.